gone for like a month. It is currently 1:03 right now. Y'all, let's see when was my last video. I'm so sorry. Y'all, my last video was 2 freaking months ago. So that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that was during Thanksgiving. So it's been a minute. I don't know. A lot has just been like happening with like relationships and weight loss, family, and all of this things, you guys. Like, I'm gonna have to sit down and have a story time with y'all one of these days. Anyway, so this is gonna be like a quick little video. I'm gonna just do my edges real quick because baby. And y'all, I did these braids in November. Once that video dropped with me taking down my locks, I literally put these braids in, and you can go see that on my TikTok in the description down below. This video is how I do my brows. So this is a quick little brow tutorial, so nothing too crazy or nothing too long. Just a quick brow tutorial using this Acme's brow tints, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. Surely the work. So you want to start off by brushing. Make sure you do your eyebrows in a clean face. Don't be dirty. So you want to go ahead and like brush your brows. Make sure your eyebrows are plucked or whatever you want to do with them, and brush them up. Boom. Simple. So you see how my eyebrows are kind of already in the shape. So we know where the arch is going to be at. The tint. Your girl has been stressed to the gods, and I'm like, God, please, I need. Anyways, so now that we have that, that's what it's looking like. Get into it. We loving it. And so usually I go back in with this, and because this is like a tint, like it dries up, so like it's not easy to just wipe this off of your, you know, brows. have it, you guys. Let me make sure I kind of get. Anyways, you guys, so there you have it. This is my updated brow tutorial. Kind of wanted to make it very simple and easy for you guys to follow if you want to follow my tutorial. I'm actually gonna go ahead and close out this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. New videos coming out this week, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you want to see me do both of my brows and how they both turn out with either eyeshadow or me just doing, you know, oh y'all, that's what I can test out for you guys to see if you can use this as eyeliner, just in case, you know, maybe you want to use it as eyeliner. So let's see. Oh, I think that can work as eyeliner. Let's see. Okay, maybe it could work as eyeliner, you guys. If you want to do it as eyeliner, I'd say go for it. But this is the ending of this video. Hope you guys like it and enjoyed watching me do my brows. So peace. Flattening my hair.